Hey guys, how you doing? Gotta wear these dang masks.
Yeah.
Alright, whenever you're ready, make up one. It's gonna take it right out of the sleeve and it's gonna go right in that little dispenser there.
All right.
Alright. Let's do
I
this.
figured maybe there'd be somebody on here by now. Usually it takes a minute, doesn't it? Mrs.G's getting her, what you call it?
I'm getting
Her
my
Christmas
present.
present.
Woohoo!
Oh, they're starting to roll in here now.
Hey guys, Merry Christmas.
Mrs. G's about to open, well, kind of open her present, huh?
Yeah. Are we ready? Oh, we got 11 people, 17.
Oh, yeah, it'll roll on here. It'll roll on here in a minute.
I hope everyone's doing great today.
Merry Christmas, Sean.
Merry Christmas, Sean. Oh,
No, they can just figure it out as they're,
All right.
they're coming in. I guess we'll go ahead and change this camera to the back side there, and I'll film Mrs. G. What's that, honey?
it is a big old silver coin. Look it, and I get to drop it in here. And the magic is fixing to happen. Woohoo, guys! I'm super stoked to see how this all goes. It stopped.
They stop.
It stopped. I think it's where it needs to be.
Should I switch it back to you and then?
Yeah.
Are you excited, honey?
I'm super excited. I just want to, see my present come down. This is the biggest vending machine I've ever had the privilege to work.
For all you don't know, we're over here at Carvavana. I got to tell you, it's probably about the easiest way there is to buy a car.
Switch it.
So you switch it as it's
Switch it,
coming
'cause
down.
It's coming down.
All right, it's coming, guys.
It's coming.
What do you think, hon?
She's a beaut. Oh my God. I love it.
You like that?
I sure do. Look, she's gonna spin and twirl so I can see all angles. Ooh, look at that. She's a pretty girl.
Mrs. G's new ride.
What y'all think about it?
It's the Challenger 6.4 liter Scat Pack. Hemi.
Yep.
Are you excited?
I'm super excited.
You like that?
Yeah, check it out.
Well, Merry Christmas, honey.
Thank you. Oh.
Here, you can hold that.
I can hold that now.
Oh, you don't get to keep your coin?
No, it goes in the dealie.
She don't get to keep her coin?
No.
Yes.
Oh.
You do get to keep your coin.
Oh, I do. Good. I kept a little packet for it.
Cool, appreciate you, man. Here, let's go step outside, and that way I can take this mask off.
Oh, that sounds great. Oh, I had to take my glasses off because they got all foggy.
Oh, thank
There we go.
goodness.
There she is.
So, what do you think?
This is pretty freaking awesome.
What do they think?
Love it, Raymond says. Sally Jo said, good Lord, when do we go cruising, Mrs. G?
Oh, God. I'm never going to get a chance to ride in there, am I?
She's so pretty.
Jim says the good thing my wife's not watching. She's asking me for it.
Tim said, thanks for the nice picture. Love it. So sweet. One.
Well, everybody was pretty much thinking she was going to get a new Harley, and I almost had her talked into it, let me tell you.
It was close. It was close. But the thing is, I don't know how to,
It ain't too late. We can go down and go look at Harleys. What do you think?
Nah, I'm good. I'm
You
good.
good?
She's a beaut.
You like that?
Yes, I love it. I can't wait for them to pull it out.
Well, did you show them what you was doing?
Oh yeah, let's go look at my car. My old car. No, she ain't old. She's still a beaut. This is my Chrysler 300. And hers pretty. But it was just, you know, it was time for a change. She's a beaut. I loved her. She did a really good job for me, you know, hauling the grand boys around when I was at home before I went on the road with G, and hauling grandma around. But now we don't need the extra room. It's just the two of us, so okay. So it's kind of nice to get something sporty. Let's see. There they are. There's the keys to my old ride. Oh my goodness, guys, I'd read comments, but let's see if I can see them. Hold on there. Looks like he's gonna bring her out for me. Oh, that blue too. My mama would absolutely love it just because of the color blue. And G's mama would love it because of the pickup, the get up and go. Oh, listen to her. Oh, here she comes, guys. Ooh. G never ceases to amaze me. I'll tell you that much. He never does. Look at him down there. Thanks, guys. Oh, she sounds awesome. I'm kind of behind. Yeah, he did a great job, guys. Great job. And Carolyn said you guys are going to look so awesome driving that car. I'll tell you what though, you know, she's got a whole lot more get up and go than my Chrysler did, so I'm gonna have to be easy on her first to get the feel of her.
Sorry guys, I couldn't take it out.
He's got to do what he's got to do, you know, make sure she's gonna be a good ride. Oh, that's awesome, Wayne. Wayne said, I did that a couple years ago for my wife. It was such a surprise. I bet she was super excited. Leo said, we just did the opposite swap. You'll love the Challenger. Enjoy. Oh, thanks. Yeah, she is gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. It's kind of chilly out here this morning. John said, guess I missed with my guess by a long way. Good morning, Warren. Oh, she does sound sweet, Jen. Sounds awesome. Look at G. He's just doing his thing. Oh, there we go. Kelly said, we had a Challenger and traded it in for a 300. Love it and the color. Best of luck with it. Merry Christmas. Well, Merry Christmas to you too, Kelly. Yes, he definitely wins the best hubby of this, you know, lifetime. Bobby. Sally Joe said, holy shit, she sounds beautiful. Way to go, Mr. G. Yeah, that's right. G would agree with that. Beautiful and nothing like a Mopar. Got to be Mopar. Jen said, all I want for Christmas is a ride in that car, Mrs. G. Let's do her to her.
We're all good, ain't we? Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right.
While you're out, I'm going to be looking up your trade there.
Got it.
I'll take it just down the road for a mile and then come right back.
Oh, my goodness.
Have fun.
Look at this, guys. Hers a pretty car. Look at them seats. Oh, listen to her. Whew. Goodness gracious, that wind is kind of fierce out there. I think she's pretty freaking awesome. I like the way this seat reclines all the way back like this. Let's see if I can fix it so that it's up. Oh, there we go. And put my little thingy here away. Oh, doesn't G look good driving her? Look at him. Oh, shucks, guys. Let's take her out for a spin.
She already broke tire a little bit.
Yeah, I felt that.
Barely touched it.
I'm definitely going to have to get the feel for her. Charles said, way to go, G ride.
What's that dinging?
I don't know what that dinging is. Harvey said, oh, hell yeah, time to get it. Oh, that's right. Whew. Look at them beautiful blue skies. Kevin Hart said, nice. Merry Christmas from North Dakota. Merry Christmas, Kevin. Hey, Colt, love you. Chugging V said, best wife too, a pair. I'm an honorary one, but he puts up with me.
Oh, she broke.
I felt it break.
We're no 45 in it.
Rex Robinson said, put a nitrous bottle in it. Woo.
Son.
Oh, goodness. I don't know.
What do you think?
I think I'm ready to go race. Woo.
We went sideways there.
We did. Yeah, see, now I'm kind of iffy on this car. Because listen to G. V said, no showing off, Mr. G.
Well, she broke traction at 40 mile an hour.
Roger said, that'll get her to make you a whole bunch of homemade tamales. Brian said, Mrs. G should be driving. Oh, I'll drive her.
You ready?
I just...
She's kind of scared a little bit.
I am a little scared because, like I said, she's got a lot more get up and go than my Chrysler. And so, you know, new car takes a little bit getting used to, get the feel of her. Because I definitely don't want to end up in a ditch. Richard said, Mrs. G is like a little girl again. Daniel Quinella said, let her rip, tater chip. Don't be telling him that, Daniel. Jen said, seatbelt.
Yeah, no, put your seatbelt on. Safety first, honey.
Oh my goodness. Oh, and these seats are really super comfy. I thought the seats in my Chrysler were comfy. These are real comfy. So what do y'all think? Jesse said, Mopar and Harley Davidson. I knew there was a reason I liked G. LOL. William Smith. William Smith said, no seatbelt is what's ding. John Galloway said, right-hand drive in Kansas. Sally Joe said, you'll have it in no time. Easy does it, Mrs. G. Be safe. Oh, I will, definitely. Trucking with V said, drift. Don't encourage him, V. Oh, yeah? Don't encourage him. Oh, buddy. That just gives me butterflies.
You ready for the G-Force?
Oh, good Lord. I think G's gonna have a lot more fun with this car than he did with my Chrysler. And you know how truckers are. You get out of them big rigs and you get into your personal vehicle.
Son, it's like a go-kart.
And they're definitely like little go-karts. Tony Gunner says, seatbelts! Exclamation point, exclamation point. Saves you walking back to the scene of the accident. Oh, would you quit? good Lord, I lost my tummy on that one. John Martin said, see, I said it was a car. Whew. V said, thanks for sharing. Love you both. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, V. And Happy New Year. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh. Yeah.
What's that?
I said, yeah. That's all I can say is, yeah.
Mrs. G gets a little scared.
A little bit. Just a little bit. Jen said, sounds like Mr. G's play toy, not yours, Mrs. G.
No, that's all hers.
Oh. Good gravy.
I like it.
Yeah, you like it.
What do you think?
I love it. I love it.
We can go look at that.
No.
That Equinox up there.
No. I don't think.
I'm pretty sure I see a smart car up there somewhere.
No, it's okay. Guys, I don't think I need a smart car or another Equinox.
What about that Camaro there? Oh, there's a minivan right there.
No. Oh, no. You know how I feel about minivans.
Right there's a minivan. I'm pretty sure that's a minivan.
No, that's okay.
Maybe not.
John said, but enjoy you guys, your guys' Christmas. And Brian said, give it hell, G. He did, definitely. Trust me, he did.
Oh, we didn't. We haven't even done nothing yet.
No encouragement needed. Sally said, how's your hair feel? John said, what is it? It is a Challenger, 2016 Challenger with the Scat Pack.
Got 13,000 miles on it.
It's got 13,000 miles on it. Sandra said, have fun and happy holidays. You happy holidays to you guys.
We did check the sound system out.
Oh, that's usually one of my top. My top list of priorities is the sound system. How's my heart? It's in my belly. Oh yeah, I'm sure. Carl said going to need to buy some tires soon, leaving rubber on the road. With G leaving rubber on the road. Jill said, so what will you drive? So when will you drive it for us? Oh, once I get the feel of her. James said,
I don't know what radio station's what. I'm
John
going to listen to this for a second.
Okay, it's going to get loud, guys. We want to hear the sound system.
Can we pretend that airplane from the night sky like shooting stars? Right now. Pretend that airplane from the night sky.
Is that better than your other car?
I like the sound system. I approve. I'm going to turn you guys back over to G.
All right, guys. I think we got a happy camper. What do you think? I guess we're going to go ahead and call it a day, guys. We'll get back on later on or something. I'm going to go finish doing what we got to do. And we got to drive all the way back home now.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all have a Merry Christmas, and I guarantee we're going to talk before then.
Oh, yeah.
Appreciate each and every one of you.